COVID-19 is affecting not just a few, but all industries and businesses around the world. More than 20 million people in the US are actually now unemployed, and so many small businesses have shut their doors, probably for good. So now, with this uncertain future, there's all these projects on hold, and home improvement contractors left feeling like, what now? Hey guys, I'm Nathalie Calvin with Office Suite Lifestyle, and today I want to share with home improvement contractors a few ways you can help homeowners in your community during this COVID-19 pandemic. The COVID-19 virus has enforced rules of social distancing, which means more people work from home now, probably more than ever before. Now, even when things start to normalize, working remote will continue to become a common practice. Now, in addition to that, the Federal Reserve also, in another emergency, cut interest rates by 1%. So there's still a small growth of homeowners that are investing in home improvement efforts to make working from home much more comfortable and convenient. So you know what that means for home improvement contractors? It means you can offer one of these four options that I'm going to explain that can help the homeowners in your community. DIY tips. If a homeowner can build it themselves and save money, they're going to do it. But how does this help you as a contractor, right? Well, part of growing your business is building a brand. That means creating content that's relevant to your special skills, unique service, or exclusive product. How-to videos or step-by-step articles kind of validate your expertise and builds trust between you and a potential future customer. So I'm going to share with you an article in the description by the housing counselor on a DIY network. It's titled How to Build and Install a Sliding Door. It features like a step-by-step on how to build the door and all the ways to install it. But once you're done creating a DIY similar to something like this, you would share it on your website, email it to your customer, because of course your customers are going to appreciate helpful tips that improves their lifestyle. And they might even consider hiring you to complete the job. Free virtual consultation. Now that is a pretty awesome thing to offer. Imagine you can let your customers know that you're available for virtual consultation. So for example, bwindow.com, right? This is Farbee's Window. They have a form that you can fill out to request a virtual consultation. I'll put the link in the description as well so you could take a look at it for inspiration. But you create a form on your website and you offer customers a chance to do a virtual tour. You can also conference in your team and get a better idea of the project design and the cost. Create a promotion and offer a discount on a product or a service. For example, Liquid Liquidators is offering 30% on a new waterproof floor. Okay, so just think about an offer you can make to promote to homeowners who need your help and can definitely appreciate a good promotion. Financing. Hearth Financing is a financing platform that actually allows for urgent home improvement and repair financing. It's a great option for homeowners who are on a budget and they want an alternative to paying out of pocket. So through this Hearth program, they can get the necessary funding that they need to get the project done fast. Look, these are stressful times, so as a business leader, your community needs you. Reaching out to your customers with a product or service offer, promotion, a deal, or just a free helpful resource that can help ease the stress of everything else happening around them can be beneficial. Anyway, I hope you found these helpful, and until next time. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like these, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification so you can get the alerts. Remember, while you're improving homes, we'll be at the office improving your home improvement business online.